Conversation between Alex and Emma about English speaking fluency. Alex is a beginner English learner and Emma is an experienced English speaker, so Alex is getting worried about his speaking fluency and asking Emma to guide him that how can he become fluent in the English language. Alex sits nervously at a table, flipping through a beginner's English textbook. Emma, a friendly and experienced English speaker, approaches with a warm smile. So, let's watch their conversation.
Oh, hi there. Are you Emma?
Yes, that's me. You must be Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I've been struggling with English, and I heard you are great at it. Any tips for becoming fluent?
Of course. Don't worry, Alex. Everyone starts somewhere. First things first, immerse yourself in the language. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and read books. It helps you get used to the rhythm and intonation.
Got it. I'll start doing that. But what about speaking?
Great question. Practice speaking every chance you get. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Join language exchange groups or find a language partner online. It'll boost your confidence and expose you to different accents and expressions.
I'll definitely give that a try. But sometimes I struggle with vocabulary.
Building vocabulary takes time. Use flashcards, learn a few new words every day, and try to use them in sentences. Also, read English newspapers or articles. It broadens your vocabulary and helps you understand context.
Flashcards and reading. Got it. Grammar is another challenge for me as well.
Grammar can be tricky, but it's essential. Start with the basics and gradually move to more complex structures. Online platforms like Duolingo or Grammarly can be helpful. Practice with simple sentences and build up from there.
I'll check those out. And what about pronunciation?
Good pronunciation is crucial. Listen to native speakers, repeat phrases, and use online tools like Fovo or Pronunciation Guide. Record yourself and compare it to native speakers. It helps you identify areas for improvement.
Recording myself, that sounds interesting. Thanks for all these tips, Emma. I feel more motivated now.
You're welcome, Alex. Just remember, consistency is key. Set realistic goals, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the learning process. Fluency will come with time and practice.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks a lot, Emma. I appreciate your help.
Anytime, Alex. Best of luck on your language journey. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more new English content.